Welcome back. This is our 9th video in the series. So far in our videos, we have learned how to write the essay. Now, if you'll turn again to page 9, I'd like to review how to edit and proofread that wonderful essay that you just wrote. So you've concluded your essay. Many times when students write the last sentence of their essay, they sigh a big sigh of relief and they put their pencil down and they're finished and they hand in their essay. It's very, very important to look over what you wrote to make sure that it makes sense. Many times, small grammar errors or small sections of paragraphs might not make a lot of sense. Now is the time to look over the essay and make sure it really makes sense. It's okay to have some crossed out words or phrases in your essay. That won't affect your grade if it looks a little bit messy. It's better to do that than to leave it and have it be incorrect. So again, we'll turn to page 9. So here are some suggestions about how to edit and proofread your writing. First of all, obviously you want to read your essay. You want to ask yourself, does it make sense? Are there parts that don't relate to your thesis statement? This is very important. If you're going off topic, then that's bad, and you want to make sure that doesn't happen. Have you given enough details? This is one of the most important things you can do, is really prove and explain your ideas with very specific examples. So I would say, it says here, read your essay again and look for grammar errors. I would say to read your essay 2 times if you have time. First, for the organization and development of ideas, to make sure you've proven your ideas. Secondly, for grammar errors. Because again, grammar isn't the most important thing the readers are looking for, although they do want to see the use of standard grammar. It will help your essay if you have standard grammar. So when learning specialists point out errors, many times students say, "Oh, I knew that, I just didn't read it over carefully enough." Make sure the scorers know what a great writer you are. So in other words, many times when you read over your work, you'll see the mistakes if you read it over carefully. So again, after you write your essay, I would definitely read it over to make sure that you're really saying what you want to say, and that your periods and commas are in the right place. If you'd like some help with this, please feel free to stop by the Writing and Reading Center and we can go over some grammar points. But again, the scores are not going to, take off, quote, points for one spelling mistake. Don't focus too much on each word, but it is important in general to learn the basic rules of grammar. So, after you're done editing and proofreading, then you're finished and you can hand in your fabulous essay to the scorers. So next we're going to do a little bit of review, and I hope by now you have a general sense of what you need to do in your essay to make it successful and clear to the readers.